we're going to put these seat covers on the back seat. Because as you can see here, they get the most abuse from mud, dust, dirt, and the sun. Now we got the seat clean. Let's take it apart. There we go. That didn't take very long at all. They look nice. They fit nice. Now we got them both done. Let's get them installed in the buggy and go for a ride. See how good they protect. After 20 minutes of riding, you can clearly see how dirty these seats get. Now let's get these seat covers off and take a look. As you can see here, they did a good job of protecting the seats and keeping all the mud and grime off of them. Well, overall, these are good quality seat covers. If you're looking for any seat covers for your side-by-side or any other aftermarket accessories, go check out StarknightMT.com. The link will be in the description below.